Did you know that there are infinite frequencies in which you could be in when you're manifesting something? And depending on the frequency that you're in, when you're speaking out your affirmations, or when you are visualizing, or when you're using the law of assumption, which is assuming the feelings of the wish fulfilled, depending on which vibration you are, you will manifest easier and faster. Today, I want to talk to you about the two main vibrations that people use. One being, I am manifesting something and it is going to happen, which is good. And the other one is, it is already done. There's nothing I have to do because it is already freaking done. This one is a lot faster. It has you manifest and materialize things so much faster and with less stress about having to do your affirmations every day and having to pray and ask and ask and ask and ask. I agree with asking. I agree with affirming. I agree with visualizing. And you guys know by now that I'm a meditator. However, when we do it from a place of I don't have it yet, the universe takes a little longer because now the universe is fighting with your vibration and your location in the quantum field that says, I don't have it yet. I'm gonna have it, it's gonna happen, but it hasn't happened. And this one says, it's done. I only have to ask for it once, it's already done. Now, if you ask for something that you want to manifest and you don't feel it clicking yet, you don't feel like it's done, by all means, continue to ask and continue to do your affirmations every day in your mind and spoken word. Because you know, guys, I believe in the spoken word. You can open spiritual portals with your words. You can change worlds with your words. So yes, use your words too. But once you feel and you know it's done, that's it. It's done. You don't have to say it again. You don't have to ask for it again. You know it's done, and it will come as soon as it does, you know, because we do have this concept called time here on planet Earth. So you're gonna have to wait maybe some time, but it is, as you know, when you know that it's already done, that what you want, the apartment you want, the house, the relationship, the car, it's already a done deal. It just releases all of the resistance that you have in you when you're trying to manifest by affirming, because it's not done yet, and you affirm and affirm and affirm, you could create a lot of resistance and you could actually bring about the opposite result. So my intention with this video is for you guys to really start stepping into the it is done vibration and frequency so that things happen faster for you. And I would love to hear stories where you have asked for something when it was so easy for you to manifest and you knew it was done and it happened faster, versus when you were trying so hard to make it happen and using affirmations and visualization, just trying to force things, and when something could have happened like next day, now you forced it and it took you 6 months to get it. And that happens all the time. People don't know that they can use their words as powerful weapons to get things moving in their lives. Weapons in a good way, not in a bad way, because you can use your words to destroy as well. So I hope that this was helpful to you guys. I would love to hear your thoughts. This was a short video. This is basically the manifesting from the state of being of like, I'm trying to manifest, I'm affirming, and it's gonna happen, I know it's gonna happen, and it's gonna happen, or it's already done. I'm not trying, I don't have to try, I just have to ask and speak it once, and it's done, because I said so. You know, that authority that you ask and you stand and you hold your frequency. I have a video about holding your frequency. You stand in your freaking frequency and place, and it's done. And I want to encourage you and remind you that everything that you desire, that you've written down, that you've visualized, is already done. Okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.